WordPress has just announced a new update, 6.2, which is their first update release of the core software for 2023. So if your website's running WordPress, make sure you update to 6.2. That is the most recent version. And they have some pretty cool new technology that they're announcing that they're baking into 6.2, which is specifically namespacing and PCR4. So this is a little bit technical, but basically what namespacing is and PCR4 is instead of calling a class specifically, a developer having to call the class out specifically and name it, it automatically finds the class names and puts them together. So when classes are basically a way of organizing a data structure or a style structure. And so in this new system, it just automatically clumps them all together in certain areas. So they're no longer just not organized. Basically, it's organizing the data automatically and making it much cleaner and harder to make a mistake. Because when developers had to do things manually in the old way of doing it, they could name a class the same as another class and that would cause an error, cause a mistake. So with the new namespacing, it takes care of this because it automates it. So that's a little bit technical. You don't need to know those details, but just know that the developers behind WordPress are constantly working to bring in the latest up-to-date technology into it. And so it's important that we update because we want to make sure we're using the latest technology so that our website works better and is faster, but we also want to make sure that it doesn't break and crash. If you have not updated your WordPress yet and you need help doing so, or you want to make sure you do so without it crashing and breaking, you can definitely reach out to me. I would love to help you out. If you host your website with my company, SkyPoint Studios, we go ahead and we update it for you. All the websites that are on our hosting have all been updated to 6.2 already. We just did that. And we updated all the plugins that need to be updated as well as the theme that need to be updated as well since that new update. As soon as a new core comes out for WordPress and you update to it, a lot of plugins are going to need to change their code to match the new core codes and themes as well. So we went ahead and updated those. All of our websites across the board are all up to date right now, and it just was recently released. So we do it very, very quickly because we don't want to leave any time between when the release comes out and when we update our software. So this is Joe Field with SkyPoint Studios. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need help updating your WordPress, contact me down below. Hit me up on my email, info@skypnt.com, and I would love to help you out. Thanks so much for watching my videos. I'll see you on the next one.